Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through using viral Capcut templates directly on your PC or laptop, so you can create amazing videos without doing all the manual editing work. The process is extremely straightforward. All you have to do is open your Capcut application or browser. On the left-hand side panel, simply click on Templates. Now, simply hover over the templates that you want, and then you can see how they will look. You can also search them by category, or if you want to search a very specific type of template, you can directly search in the bar. Simply hit Enter, and after that, you should be able to find your desired template. Now, in order to use any template, all you have to do is hover over the template and click on Use Template. Wait a few seconds. Once you're inside the timeline, you will be able to see your template, and all you have to do is replace the images or the video files that you want to add. You can see it right over here. First, import your media. Let's say, for example, you want to add images. Click on Open, and then simply drag your media onto one of the frames of that template like this. It will be added to the template, as you can see right here. Now, simply add as many images or videos as you require in the template. Once you're done with that, you can simply click on Export and export the video or audio to your desired resolution. That's it. Now you know exactly how to use templates in Capcut on PC or laptop. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.